Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna unbox this new Infinix Hot 50 5G smartphone. You can see this. This is an open box delivery. I have purchased this from Flipkart. You can see this is newly launched and its variant is 16 GB and 128 GB. So let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's see what is written on other side. You will see here it is the branding of Hot 55G and wow, new Hot. And at the back you will see some specification about it. And here it is 48 megapixel of back camera with dual LED flash. Here it is 128 GB of storage with 2.2 high speed memory with premium and slim design and with latest XOS 14 Android version. And you will see it is a hole punch display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 6.7 inch of display. And it is of course AI, Infinix AI, now for all. And it has fingerprint and face unlock. Let's unbox this and let's see what inside this box. Here it comes the handset, you will see. Let's keep it aside and see what it is in the box. Yeah, a tray here, just remove it. And friends, here it is Infinix adapter. You can set charger also. It is 18 volt of fast charger that is written on the Infinix website, you will see. And here it is charging lead, USB to type C port, and you will see a SIM ejector tool pin, a user manual and some pages also of guide. And here it is protective case. You will see it seems like it's plastic but it does not. It is a rubber material. You will see you can just fold it anyway, and it's material used by this Infinix company that is very good. You will see it's look like a plastic but it doesn't. And let's open the smartphone first and pack this. I have purchased in this phone in black color, and it has two variant, green and black. And you can purchase anyway. I have given this link on my description. Just open the smartphone and here it is. And look at the design that is made by Infinix. Here you can see Infinix 5G logo is highlighting. You will see here it is cool design, 3 cameras at the back. And talking about its ports, it is very good. And you will see here it is volume rocker button up and down, a power button, and at the bottom you will see 3.5 mm audio jack, a microphone, a charging port and a speaker. And the other side you will see here it is SIM ejector tool, and here it is nothing. Let's open it. First you have to choose English, then click on next. Here you can insert SIM card or skip this for a while. Just connect the internet. Here it is. Simply type it here and click on next. And it is connected. Just press on next. Accept the terms and condition, then agree, next, and getting your phone ready. Talking about its processor, that is good. Dimensity 6300 5G smartphone. You can see in the box it is written 5 years of smoothness. It may take a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. You have to just wait it for. and it has high battery. You will see it has 5000 mAh of battery, but its weight is very lightweight. You will see, not when you just carry smartphone, you will see no weight is here. Just click on don't copy and checking info. You have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes and it asks you for a sign in. Just skip it and you will do it later, and disable this and click on agree, accept, next, and choose the browser. You can choose anything like Google also. Press on next. It may take a few minutes again. Then click on next, press OK, and here it is unlock methods. You will choose fingerprint, face unlock, and password. Skip this, and here it is system navigations, buttons and the gestures. You will choose any one of them, like I have choose buttons. Then press on next simply, and here it is welcome to XOS 14 Android, and click on this button to start. Let's check its camera quality. I have clicked some pictures, and speaker quality and video quality. First you have to open, and you can see the smoothness of this smartphone. Here it is a 120 hertz of smooth refresh rate. You will see how fast it is. You can play games very well on it. I have shown in the settings. You have to type here refresh like this, and you have to click on the screen refresh rate, and here it is 120 hertz. You will see the difference in the preview. You can see, friends, you can just remove this and go to this 120 hertz. It is a auto switch. Uh, it will switch to 90 hertz or 60 hertz according to your gameplay or anything you play. You can prefer 120 hertz rate, and you will see the refresh rate like this. Let's talk about its camera. First you have to open the camera. I have clicked some picture, I show you. Friends, you can see I have clicked some picture. Here it is front camera picture. You can see the contrast and the brightness on the face. That is very good about this smartphone at this price. And you will see the back camera. Here it is 1x zoom, and here it is 2x zoom. You can see, friends. And just let's see its resolution. First you have to open the video, then click on resolution. Here you can see you can select 2K resolution at 30 fps. You can record it in this resolution, and let's just press this back and go to YouTube and check its video quality, highest video quality. Friends, you can see I have played this video in 4K. It is a 4K video. I have shown the brightness, full brightness, you will see. And talking about its quality, first you have to go to settings. Here it is quality, click on advanced, and you will see it has 1440 pixel at 60 fps. That is good, and you can see it is in the full screen. You can see its quality also. Its quality is very good. And let's talk about its speaker. So you have to just click on this, and here you have to write music. Like this, and just play any of the song like this. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely Friends, you can see its speaker quality is also very good. You can purchase it from the Flipkart. I have given the link on my description. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.